basically really no wind out there today to help with the heat. Otherwise, we are quiet on radar and on satellite. We do have a large area of high pressure sitting right on top of the peninsula. We have stormy weather riding on top of the north side of that ridge of high pressure. Some showers riding along the south side of that ridge of high pressure, but right on top of us. Notice really not much action up and down the peninsula. Later today, we could see some showers and stormy weather well to our north, but here in South Florida, we are looking for a mainly dry day. That's going to be the story today and tomorrow. On Monday, rain chances do start to tick on up, even more so as we head into Tuesday and Wednesday. That's when the strong ridge of high pressure starts to break down, and that's when a bit of moisture starts to work its way back into South Florida. So rain chances do increase at least a little bit. Otherwise, you factor in the humidity, and once again, it will feel like 100 to 105 as we head into the middle afternoon. So it will be quite warm across the area. Now, in the meantime, out in the Atlantic, we are seeing very quiet conditions. A couple of tropical waves coming off of the African continent, but these tropical waves not expected to develop. We do have a lot of that Saharan dust sitting on top of the Atlantic, and that's helping to suppress the tropical activity. And that's also the story into the Gulf and also into the Caribbean. So really not much happening in the tropics right now. But of course, it's still early in the season. Here's Vipercast. Notice as we head into the afternoon hours, we'll have a couple of showers and thunderstorms pop on up across the Panhandle and over towards Jacksonville. But here in South Florida, really not much action. And then as we move forward in time, right on into your Sunday, once again, really not much going on. A couple of showers and storms well to our north and along the Gulf Coast. But here into southeastern Florida, we're not going to see any moisture as we head into the next 2 days. Maybe just an isolated shower, but generally very dry. Today, a mix of sun and clouds and 91 degrees. The winds out of the southeast at about 10 to 15. Overnight tonight, certainly on the warm side, right around 80 degrees for some, lower middle 70s for others. Winds out of the southeast at 8. And here's your first alert. 7-day forecast. Notice really not much in the way of change as far as temperatures go over the next couple of days, staying in the lower 90s. Certainly, we are stuck in the summer muggies. And as we head into the middle and the end of the week, some thunderstorms return.